invisible,
noise.
or not the light.
What
The
the
cloud
fuck?
is almost invisible, and you can't tell the details of the cloud until that fucking light
Yeah, it looks like the night sky.
strikes. That's just going off in there. It's like they're fucking having a party.
What the fuck?
We weren't invited.
To Zeus's party?
That's kind of fucked up.
Bro,
I
go
wish
get
I was
David or
invited.
someone.
I don't know. We're witnessing it. This is our moment. This is a me and you thing, Dylan. We'll watch this and be amazed by it.
What the fuck?
That
Yo,
was a
I got
nice
that
one.
on camera.
Yeah, that was a nice one.
Oh shit. Dude, what is going on, man? I don't think I've ever seen anything like that.
I don't think I've ever seen anything like that either.
That's why I was like, yo, you gotta look at this. It's only right there.
Yeah. It's like a fucking lightning show. I swear to God, we don't live in this world sometimes.
Right?
Like whatever's going on in this world isn't.
We have nothing to do with it. It's just gonna happen. Can you imagine the amount of energy going through all that shit right now?
You know, they say that one bolt of lightning could power the USA for 30 minutes. Imagine
Yeah.
if we harvested a lot of bolts of lightning and just saved them up.
Could put them into a power bank. That is some crazy shit. Yeah, they're watching it too.
Do you guys see this cloud?
I never saw like that in my life.